Waste Society and DIY, where sometimes I find things in the trash and I attempt to fix them, where other times I'm just trying to fix things around the house. And if you saw the other couple episodes that I have, I had found a shop vac and a paper shredder, and along with it on that same evening I had found this vintage typewriter. Now, just to give you a little story behind it, it is made in Germany, and I'll just read off the information that I had found on it. The Olympia story begins in 1903 Berlin under the direction of Dr. Friedrich von Hefner-Eltenik. European General Electric developed Olympia manual typewriters. In 1921, the first successful Olympia Model 3 rolled into the market. 2 years later, the company set up shop in Erfurt, Germany during the 30s. Olympia Simplex Model 7 and Model 8 gained popularity worldwide. By 1943, World War II raged over European skies. Allied forces bombed the city of Erfurt and severely damaged the Olympia factory in April 1945. 11 remaining employees survived the capture by Soviet forces. The East German government seized the Olympia factory and renamed it Optima. Several employees fled to West Germany and set up shop in Wilhelmshaven. I think that's how you say that. That's a tough one. From late 40s onward, Olympia enjoyed worldwide success. By 1961, half of all typewriters in West Germany were built by Olympia Simplex. Progress Elite, SM, and SF portables. Now this model here is, and any of the Olympia models were basically known as the Mercedes-Benz of typewriters at the time. Now I did need to do a few things to this. It is working, but I did need to go in and free up some of the keys here. Some of them are still, they're going to need to be worked a little more. But it is working, and surprisingly the ribbon still works. But you could see on the back, you can turn this a little hard doing this with one hand. Usually I have this on the tripod here. We'll look at the tag in the back here. And you could see Olympia Werke AG Wilhelmshaven, made in Western Germany. Intercontinental Trading Corporation, 90 West Street, New York 6, New York. You could see that. And we even came with the case. The case, as you can see, typewriter and case, made in Germany. And it even came with this little case here for cleaning up the typewriter. It has a cloth and a couple brushes in it. And on the back here it also says made in Germany. Did come with the key, which is rare to find a typewriter these days that's going to come with a key as well. And the case is in very good shape. This was out by the curb, and I remember when I had first seen it, I'm like, what is that thing? And I couldn't even wait to get home to open it. I thought maybe it was some kind of adding machine, or I didn't know what it was. But it was a pleasure finding this. And it, turn this around here. I've got it on this plastic because I was oiling it up a little bit. You know, everything works on it. So I'm going to grab a piece of paper here, and we're going to try to type on it, see what happens. Okay, so this will be a short video. I did do some research, and this model here, although there is no model number, there is a serial number, and it's pretty rare because I don't see many of them like this. There are other models similar to this. This model here is probably mid to late 60s, because I noticed in the 70s and earlier they had the Olympia logo on the left side here, or the right, or the left side and the right side of the typewriter. But it's a neat little antique unit. It's in, near mint condition. The case is in near mint condition here. It has the key, like I said. So we're just going to mount this up here, and I'm just going to type something real quick. I'm still working on oiling up these arms inside. They were all seized up, so that really the typewriter didn't work when I found it. But thank God I had found it when I did. It was snowing, but it was cold, so it wasn't like rain. So rain didn't get in, and there's no rust on this typewriter at all. It's in surprisingly good condition, and even the ribbon works. So you have to appreciate, after all these years, unless somebody had bought a new ribbon at some point, it is still working. So I'm going to mount this up and just type something real quick. Like I said, it'll be a real quick video, just kind of showcasing one of these throwaways here, treasures, and let's get you up there and type something. Okay, so one thing I discovered that this has, which is neat, is if you press a button here, you get this paper holder that pops up there. You can see that, and you can just tuck it away, but you hit this little button here and it'll pop up, and that'll hold the paper in. We'll get the paper in here. And geez, I haven't typed on a typewriter in a long time. Let's see. Get you back over there. Just made a typo there. That's why computers are much easier now. So it is working, and we'll take a look at these other features here. Okay, so here's the bottom view of it. As you can see, it's very clean underneath. The case is pretty clean. There's not a lot of scuffs on it. This top lifts up easily, so you can get to everything. The ribbon's in great shape. You have a color selection here, which allows you to select red, black, or the white, which I assume is for typing over and letters and fixing things, typos and things like that. You have the carriage lock here, which locks this from moving. I guess if you're going to be shipping it, you would do that. Overall, a great find, great treasure find, 1960s. I hope to bring you more videos very soon. I was thinking of going out maybe tomorrow and do some more trash picking, but it's so cold out. These things are kind of better for spring and summer. But I'll do it when I can, and I'll bring you more videos when I can. If you have something that you found that you want to show, or you know anything more about this particular typewriter, or maybe you're interested in this typewriter, you can write me or comment below, and hit like and subscribe so you can get future videos. And again, thanks for watching the channel. Just starting out with these kind of videos, but I have a bunch of other videos where I fix things, so I'm trying to combine this channel into a kind of a throwaway society trash find fix, and just general DIY fixing projects when I come along with them. But thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.